Hi guys, welcome to Airdrop Spot. So I want to do this quick video to show you how you are going to mint your smart card on your smart layer account. So log into your smart layer account and go to the perks tab. This is the first collectible that we can mint on our smart layer. The rest will be revealed later. So tap on the first one. So before you mint, this is what you are going to do. You need to dress up your card. Everybody is going to own an NFT card, but you need to dress it up to your taste. You choose your outfit and all of that. You can read the story about your collectible before you mint. So tap on mint now when you are ready. So this is the page where you get to dress up your card. This is the original form of the card, and then when you scroll down, you'll see how you can change its outfit. The first outfit you can change any color of your choice. So continue to swipe to the left. I like purple color, so I'll be settling for the centralized purple. Then you can also change the hat. You have different types of hat here. You can change it based on your nationality. Singapore wig, USA wig, Ukraine wig, you can choose that. And you can also choose glasses instead of hat. If you choose glasses, you won't get wig, and if you choose hat, you won't get glasses or wigs. Okay, let's settle for this for now. Then you can also change the background. You can choose confetti, and then there are different types of confetti as well, and you can also choose any of these backgrounds. Okay, so when you are done choosing, you are going to tap on preview. So I chose main background instead of confetti. You now tap on preview to go to the next step. So when you are ready, tap on preview. Then choose MetaMask. Sign into your MetaMask. And you need to be on the Polygon network. So if you are not on the Polygon network, when you access the website, it is going to ask you to switch network. So I am switching network now. So this is a preview of everything I have chosen. I eventually changed the color of the cap that I chose earlier. So you can decide to tap on mint when you are ready to mint. And if you still want to edit your smart card, then you can tap on edit. So assuming you want to change something in your smart card, you tap on edit, then you can go back and change any items that you want to change. And when you are done changing, you tap on preview again, then tap on mint on this page. It is gasless, so they don't require gas fee for you to mint. So after minting your smart card, it is going to be rolling like this for quite a long time, and if you are lucky, it won't take you that long. But if it is taking a long time, don't worry, there is nothing wrong with you. If you read the information on the page, it says ongoing transaction. This may take several hours to mint, so just leave this page. Leave the page open and then come back after a couple of hours to check if you have been able to complete your minting process. And that's how you mint your smart card. Remember that you must be registered on Smart Layer before you'll be eligible to mint this smart card. So if you are not registered yet, I'm going to drop the registration link in the comment section so that you can register and also take part. If not on this, then on other minting of collectibles that will be coming up later. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.